Hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed the little sketch there. I'm gonna do the trick one more time here and then I'm gonna show you how it's done. It's a very nice effect and it's really simple, guys. So I'm gonna do it slow here. However, when you guys do it, just make sure you do it fast. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, as well as follow us on our social media if you want to get some updates. See you guys next time.
Me estás cagando la risa.